everybody. This is the first time I'm doing dual live videos. I am live on Facebook and I am live on Instagram. And here's why. I have partnered with a company called Sincerely Silver, and they were kind enough to send me a bracelet of theirs to check out. It is called a coordinates bracelet. It has GPS coordinates on it of my choosing. It's custom. And so they put the coordinates on there and sent it to me to show you guys. So I'm going to open it now for the first time. I don't know what to expect. Again, the company is Sincerely Silver. And this is the bracelet we're going to take a look at. Coordinates bracelet. Custom-made bracelets can commemorate. You know what? I'll read that afterwards. Let's take a look. Okay, so here's just the little envelope. It's tiny. It's so delicate. It's so delicate. Look how small. If you're just joining me, I partnered with Sincerely Silver to check out their GPS coordinates bracelet. They sent this one to me, and I sent them coordinates. Okay, so I ordered mine in rose gold, but you can also get it in silver and regular gold. So let's see. Oh, it's so dainty. And of course, you can tell them exactly which GPS coordinates you want to be engraved on your bracelet. They have suggestions of what you can put on your bracelet for your coordinates. They suggest, if you're in a long distance relationship, you can have GPS coordinates of your partner. That's a great idea. The location of your wedding, where you got married, or your home. You could have those GPS coordinates engraved on it, where your children were born or your honeymoon spot. And I'm a bad, mom and wife because I didn't pick any of those. My GPS, I don't know if you can see them. They're so tiny. It's almost like handwriting. Let's see, Facebook, if you can see it. You could sort of see it on there. Ooh, it's so shiny, but it's rose gold. And my GPS coordinates, I won't read them off to you because it's just a string of numbers, but they are the location of my favorite spot in the whole world. Those of you who know me can guess that it is in Scotland. It is in the city of Portree on the Isle of Skye, and it is, I'm going to try to say this and I'm probably going to butcher it, the Cuillin Hills Hotel. It overlooks the ocean. It's on a bluff. If you're familiar at all with the book Rebecca, a Gothic Romance by Rebecca du Marais, it was my favorite book growing up. It's still my favorite book. I've read it, I think, 3 times. And they live in this mansion on a bluff, on a cliff that overlooks the ocean. And it reminded me so much of that. That's like my happy place. I actually, from time to time, will look this place up on Google Earth to see how they're doing and look down on my favorite place on the planet. So Sincerely Silver, thank you very much for this beautiful rose gold GPS coordinates bracelet. It's got a regular clasp. I can actually just, I forgot, you can pick which size you want. I picked one that was slightly larger because I wasn't sure just how big I should get it. And so I picked one I think that might have been slightly too large, except that I can clip it shorter if I need to. And it looks lovely. It's very dainty, very ladylike. So then you can have your favorite location with you all the time. So now I will get to have my Scotland location with me all the time. Hi, guys. Hi, guys. It's very lovely. Thank you, Sincerely Silver. I'm also going to do a blog post on plussizenerd.com that will give you a little bit more information about it. And I'm also going to put with it some other nerdy jewelry ideas that you can find online. Some of them are on Etsy, some of them are at ThinkGeek. But again, the company is Sincerely Silver, if you can see that. And this is the one, GPS coordinates bracelet. And they suggest the location of your partner if you're in a long distance relationship, the location of your wedding, your home, where your children are born, your honeymoon spot. You can pick anywhere in the world. And I picked Portree, Isle of Skye, Scotland. Because I'm a bad wife and mom. I'm not very sentimental. Shh, don't tell anyone. Where else could you pick? You could pick filming locations. Ooh, that's kind of exciting. You could pick your ancestral birthplace. In fact, when I was on an Outlander tour, one of the women on the tour went to, she had done her Ancestry.com homework, and she went to her family's, the seat of her family's clan, and there was a ruined castle there. It was crazy. And so she got to visit, you know, her ancestral grounds. It was pretty nuts. You could have that on your GPS location coordinates bracelet. It's pretty cool. So that's a great, unique, sentimental way to tell someone you love them. And if you have a girlfriend or a wife who's into geocaching, this would be a great, oh, you could put the location where you first met. That would be fun too. So there's all kinds of ideas for this. Like I said, I'm going to be doing a blog post on this later this week on plussizenerd.com, and I'll you know, post on Facebook and Instagram and everywhere when it's up, so you can check it out along with some other ideas for nerdy jewelry. So that's it. Sincerely Silver GPS coordinates bracelet. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing with you guys so you could check it out. I've partnered with them. They did send this to me for free, but all my opinions are my own. They didn't tell me what I had to say or anything like that. And it really, you know, I was unsure about getting the rose gold because I don't like doing trendy things, but it's really very pretty. I'm kind of glad I got the rose gold. All right, guys, thanks for popping in. These videos will be up on Instagram. The video will be up for 24 hours, and on Facebook, the video will be up forever. All right, bye, guys. Bye.